Our overall vision for Invoke was to create the world's best combi and bake platform. My name is Christopher Askøy, and I am head of engineering and product architecture.
My name is Henrik Mathiasen, and I am design director and have been responsible for the product design and UI design on the new Invoke oven.
One of the key things we have learned from this project have been collaboration. So really including key stakeholders in the market into the development phase, and also in general stakeholders all throughout the product lifecycle in the development process, so that to really translate something very complex into something simple.
The Invoke project has also been about sustainability. It's been about reducing components, it's about reducing design components. We also consider that into the design. How do we make a sustainable design? So much design is kind of, you make it, you put it out in the market and it's gone. But for us it was important to make a very simple expression here. And again, that's also why we used kind of glass and steel and subtle color, dark black and some very dark gray, because it never goes out of fashion. The way it reflects the environment it lives in also makes it blend in a different way, which I think is quite nice actually.
The new platform, we have tried to simplify this amount of different components while still serving the same markets. So we have less components that need to be on stock at service partners, and internally we find it more easy and efficient to develop the product in the future.
We did the design of the UI. We already had experience from designing UIs for previous ovens, so we had a lot of knowledge to build on, and then combined the new knowledge from going out and understanding how are the chefs and the service technicians and all the people who are using it today, how do they use it, what do they miss? So we could really take that and put it into this new UI. Instead of looking at other kitchen products, we have looked at the smartphone that people have in their pocket. How do they work with their smartphone? Because that's a reference they have. So in terms of gestures and how you navigate, it's more important to look at their daily object they have in the pocket, the phone, than actually looking at whatever other kitchen product they have.
The overall goal, you can say, of this process is really to translate all this complexity, all these different demands into something simple that we can produce efficiently and targets the market in the most valuable places. Because when you look at an oven and don't really know about the market, you think an oven is an oven, so what? But we actually have a lot of different requirements from different segments of the markets. And if you don't know all these markets, then you're not able to grasp how difficult this task of serving all these markets really is. The beauty of translating all this complexity into something rather simple is definitely some of the things I'm most proud of.